May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and this afternoon we're shining a spotlight on a life-saving New York City organization helping firefighters. With all the stress involved with the job, firefighters are 38% more likely to attempt suicide than civilians. Here's Michelle Charlesworth with more.
This is Friends of Firefighters in Red Hook, an old firehouse that dates back 150 years. They offer everything from acupuncture to intense therapy that has saved firefighters' lives with mental health care since 9/11, when the idea for this started.
Here we are almost 25 years later, and we are slammed with phone calls.
Firefighters, they don't need help. They're the bravest. They're the ones we call when we're in big trouble. But it turns out they absolutely need it because of what they do.
They'll come home and they'll think that they're putting it all together and putting a face on and they're smiling. Everyone in the family picks up that mommy or daddy is not all there. And so usually children take it in and blame themselves.
This is whole family mental health care, free. Friends of Firefighters has cut back and fundraised, most recently a bike tour in Ireland. Lieutenant Timothy Hines was one of the riders. He needed mental health counseling himself terribly. So did his family after he almost died on the job fighting a fire.
My wife and I were concerned that our children were not dealing with my near-death experience as openly as we had hoped. So
they were traumatized because they thought they were going to lose their dad.
We wanted them to be able to get anything off their chest that they need to with professional help.
What about health insurance? Well, they insist that's not near enough to cover firefighters and their families' needs.
You know, there's so many people that need counseling, first responders, their families. It'll never end.
But Friends of Firefighters is in trouble.
We need money. We have it squared away as far as services. We know what we're doing. We have excellent clinicians. We need money to keep going.
When tones go off, we don't ask questions. We go 100 miles per hour as quick as we can to help whomever it might be that's asking for help.
Now they need help. In Red Hook, Michelle Charlesworth, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
And if you'd like to help the organization, you can head to friendsoffirefighters.org.